Hello, what is up everyone? My name is Gary and today I just want to share with you a video that I created. Today I wanted to share a video with you that I created to show parents a little bit about myself, get them excited about the year. Check it out. Hey, what is up, third graders and parents? My name is Mr. Gray and I am so excited. I mean, bursting with excitement to meet you this year. I know we are going to be online a lot, but I promise you I'm going to try my absolute best to make it fun and engaging. How am I going to do that? I'm going to do that by listening to you. What do you want to do online this year? Play games, read, write? Let me start off by just telling you a little bit about myself. I am from Nova Scotia, Canada. I grew up in a very small Black community in Nova Scotia. I am Black Canadian. I grew up in a place called Preston, where it is actually the largest Black community. I love basketball. My favorite team is the Toronto Raptors. I absolutely love donuts. I like donuts with sprinkles, donuts with filling, donuts with different types of frosting. I really love like the original glazed donuts. And I love gourmet donuts, donuts from like real bakeries. I have a donut problem. I also love reading and writing. I love putting the right books in the right hands. I love poetry. I love playing with words. I love doing things with words that people don't necessarily like to do. Sometimes I like to use no periods or no capital letters. Don't tell your parents. I love being a teacher. What about you? What do you like to do? What do you not like to do? This year, we're going to be learning about something called identity. And identity is something we're going to be hearing about almost every single day. Now, you're probably wondering, what is identity? And if you want to, you can ask for a hint. But I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is. You're going to figure that out on your own. Now, we have a lot of things to talk about. I wanted to just share with you something that I'm passionate about, and that's making videos. I hope to share and make videos throughout the year to help you stay engaged with lessons, and maybe there's certain videos that you'd like to see. You can share those with me when you see me. Until next time, I'm super excited to see you. I really hope everyone is well. Parents, I want to let you know that I'm going to take care of your children to the best of my ability while I'm online. And if you ever are bored, you can check in with us as well, and maybe you can learn something. Or you could probably teach me. I gotta go. It's really raining outside, but I'll see you later. Peace. And one of the reasons why I do this is just to kind of get them, not just to get them excited, but then they also get an insight on who I am. As if for today, I really hope everyone is well. Feels nice to be making videos again. Hopefully I can keep it up. Till next time. Peace. Stay in the gray area.